afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, what we're going to discuss is the measure of variability, which is one of the measures in descriptive statistics. So in order to calculate the measure of variability in Python, the first thing that you need to do is you need to import the libraries that you're going to need. And the libraries are going to be import NumPy as NP, which is the numeric library. And then you're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, which is the visualization library. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get some example data. So we've got a data set, which is a list of numbers, of integers. And then with that list of integers, we're going to calculate the measures of variability. So data range equals np.ptp data. So that's going to give you a range, and that's calculated as the maximum value minus the minimum value. So that'll give you your range. And then we're going to calculate the variance, which is np.var brackets data. And again, what that does is that calculates how far away the data is from the mean. Then we're going to calculate standard deviation, which is np.stt data, and that is the square root of variance, which again calculates how far away the data is from the mean. So we're going to calculate the mean for annotation purposes. So mean equals np mean data. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plot a histogram. So plt.hist brackets data, comma, bins equals 15, comma, color equals sky blue, comma, edge color equals black, comma, alpha equals 0.7. And now you're going to plot the mean, standard deviation, and range on the histogram. So plt.av line brackets mean, comma, color equals red, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 2, comma, label equals mean. And then you got plt.axv line mean plus standard deviation, comma, color equals green, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 2, comma, label equals SD. And then you have plt.axv line brackets mean minus standard deviation, color equals green, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 2. So now we're also going to calculate, put the variance line in there. So plt.axv line brackets mean plus variance, comma, color equals purple, line style equals dashed, line width equals 2, label equals variance. And plt.axv line brackets mean minus variance, comma, color equals purple, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 2. And then we're going to calculate the minimum and the maximum data points, which is going to be your range. So plt.axv line brackets min data, comma, color equals blue, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 2, comma, label equals range. And then plt.axv line brackets max data, comma, color equals blue, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 2. So now we're going to add titles and labels to our graph. So the title is measures of variability, and then the X label is value, and the Y label is frequency, and then we're going to show it. So this is it. This is the graph that we have made. So it says measures of variability. You can see the mean is red, so that's in the center. You can see the standard deviation is green, so you have the standard deviation plus the mean and minus the mean. And then the variance is purple. So you've got the variance plus the mean and minus the mean. And then you've got the range. The range is the lowest point to the highest point. And then the range is 8. So your mean is 15.73. Your standard deviation is 2.26. Your variance is 5.13. And your range is 8. So that's the chart that the chart that you have made for the measure of variability. So that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to have some more measures. So thank you for watching, and I will communicate with you shortly.